Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in the Delaverse playground, the API node. If you've ever wanted to connect your workflows to external apps like Trello, your CRM, or even social media platforms, this is your go-to feature. It makes integrating outside systems a breeze, saving you time and supercharging your automations. Why the API node rocks? Imagine seamlessly pulling data from your favorite tools right into your Delaverse workflows. No more manual copying or switching tabs. The API node acts like a universal bridge, handling connections securely, so you can focus on building amazing AI agents and automations. Whether you're managing tasks, updating customer info, or syncing e-commerce data, it enhances your productivity and keeps everything flowing smoothly. All right, how to get started? Getting to the API node is super simple. Log into your Delaverse playground, and from the main menu on the left, spot the node library. Search for API node or browse under the integration category. Just drag it onto your workflow canvas. It's like adding a puzzle piece. Give it a friendly name like My Trello Connector to keep things organized. Breaking down the key parts. Once it's on your canvas, open up the node settings. Here's what you'll configure. Base URL setup. This is where you point the node to your external system. For example, enter something like https:/api.trello.com for Trello boards. It's the starting address for all your interactions. Authentication options. Keep things secure without the hassle. Pick from easy methods. No login needed for public APIs. A simple key for basic access, or a secure token for advanced setups. Delaverse handles the details so you don't have to worry. Custom touches. Add any special headers, like telling the system to expect JSON data, or default settings that apply to every connection. It's all about making your workflow reliable and tailored to you. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? Always test your setup by linking the API node to a simple request node first. Just fire off a quick query to make sure everything's connected. Name your nodes descriptively to avoid confusion in bigger projects. And remember to check those API limits from your external apps to prevent any hiccups. For extra security, store your login details safely outside the workflow itself. These little habits will make your integrations rock solid. Wrapping it up with a boost. With the API node, you're not just building workflows, you're creating a connected ecosystem that works for you. Enjoy seamless data flow, secure connections, and endless automation possibilities. Head to the playground now, experiment with your first integration, and watch your Delaverse experience transform. What's your first API adventure going to be? Share in the comments.